U Sports Central back at it. Adam Deal, Charles Ashley. Before we take a little break this summer, Charles, it was a great season. We'll recap some of our best moments right now. But first, I need to call a timeout.
Let's get a full.
Okay, I need a full timeout from my man, Jay Pohl. We haven't done this in a while, okay? We've got to end things properly. And yes, the trash can is back.
Jay Pohl, dropping that beat.
Who is first in the trash can, Charles? I'll tell you who it is. It's them Clips. Game 7, they blow a 3-1 series lead to the Houston Rockets. They blow a 19-point lead going into the fourth quarter in Game 6, and they belong in the trash can.
That's a good one.
Friend. Who you got?
You know what? Everyone knows I'm from Chicago. The Bulls are in that trash can because my feelings are hurt, number one. They were up 2-1.
They blew it.
They blew it. They were up in
This
Game
was their
5.
chance to win
They had
the
a chance to win it.
championship.
No Kevin Love. Kyrie Irving banged up. Just terrible trash can Bulls.
And then New Mexico weather.
Yes.
Was trash can
terrible.
material all weekend, pushed our schedule back. It made it a nightmare covering all these games. But you know what? We still covered them, Charles, because that's what we do.
No days off. That's how we do it around here. No days off. The weather couldn't even stop us. But that trash can, my friend, that's for everyone.
That's my favorite thing.
That was a good one.
The trash
I
can.
love that
Good job, Pohl. Put that together, Jason Pohl. Listen, now let's go over some of our most memorable moments this year. And I think probably the top moment is Zach Gentry. We had him on the show, which was a lot of fun. Gentry had obviously a wonderful season, and now has flipped from Texas to Michigan, and we got to talk to him here on U Sports Central about it. So congratulations to him, but a career he's had, and I think that's always going to be memorable.
You said you saw him the other day, yoked up.
He
so
looks
Zach's
big.
In the weight room.
He looks
Harbaugh
big.
got him on them weights, eating weights for breakfast. Hey, I like Easton Barrera. Had a great season. Your Rams.
Breaking records.
Breaking records all over the place. So Easton Barrera getting it done. Rio Rancho, period.
Wonderful season.
Getting it done in the sports world.
That's leading into my guy, Brady Patterson. He got it done next level on the football field and on the basketball court as well. I think he was the best player in basketball. I think he was the best wide receiver, too, in the state. I think he's my athlete of the year.
Hey, hard to stop. El Dorado Baseball, can't forget about them. A team that struggled in the beginning of the year.
Congratulations.
Had good pitching. Finally turned it around, started getting some hitting to match that pitching, winning state. That's a big time for them.
Jim Johns was huge. Congratulations to El Dorado Eagles again. One more thing I really wanted to get to again, Charles, is how difficult of a loss was that for Volcano Vista? Not touching plate. You saw the highlights. I want to know what you guys thought. I mean, you could tweet us out and let you know what you thought, because it did look like that's a bad call. I don't understand it.
Let it go.
To be honest with you. No, I think it's tough. Rio Rancho wins. Yeah. And obviously, you know, I'm a Ram guy, and I'm proud of the Rams, but it's just a bad way to win.
Do you want that clouding it, though?
We don't know that Volcano Vista wins, right? Say they lead at 8-7. Rams still got to run into the 7th inning to make it. It would have been 8-8 maybe then. I don't know. The point here, though, is, look, that's a tough way to lose.
Cibola Lady Cougars, they had a great year. Getting it done, returning pretty much everyone for Lady Hoops next year. And Zach Schreier signed at New Mexico Highlands.
Yeah,
so he's going to go out there play football.
He deserves it.
Kid can play. He's a baller.
Big shout out to Bird from Monsanto, a freshman.
Yes.
He's the fastest guy in the land. He's our Usain Bolt as a freshman, mind you. Won the 200, won the 100. He was lightning quick.
And there's tons of memorable moments that we could go through, but those just jump out at us. This show, our
Who's
first
your
year.
athlete of the year this year?
My athlete of the year. You know what? I complained about it all year, but I have to agree with the world so far. I think Brady Patterson is getting it done.
Brady Patterson,
the kid
he was
play.
so crucial. First team football and first team basketball, maybe the player of the year in basketball. I think he was the wide receiver of the year. He won a state championship into the Final Four. I'm going to go with Brady Patterson.
Hard to guard. Hey, early favorites for football, because that's the next time you're going to see us.
I go Cleveland 1, Las Cruces 2, Volcano 3, and then Sandia 4. That's my top 4.
That's your top 4? That's hard for me to battle with that. I probably would drop Sandia out maybe, but there's no – I think La Cueva's going to have a nice, strong season.
Enjoy the summer. We have North-South All-Star games and a lot of action here on U Sports Network. Have a lot of fun. It's been great.
Happy graduation.
Charles Ashley. I'm out of deal.
All the seniors.
U Sports Central. So long.